Hi, today the topic which we are discussing is about the key skills which a therapist should have. So, a therapist should have many key skills, but from that, we are picking up some most important key skills that are first one is listening. A therapist must be a listener so that it will help or enable the person who is in trouble to speak much. If a person, someone is sitting opposite to us, is listening, then the person who is in trouble will speak much and he will speak out the things in which he is struggling. And the second thing the therapist should have the skill is in observation, because sometimes the person who is going through trouble may not be able to express all the sufferings he may be going, or sometimes he may be not aware about himself that what are the issues he is going through. In such situation, the therapist must be a good observing person. He should have the observation skill so that he can observe from the person that what all the things are in the person which is troubling him. And the third thing is the therapist must be a good analyzer. By being a good analyzer, he can analyze from the thing which the person is saying, that what is the problem of this person. From the content which he is telling, the therapist can analyze the situation of the person, and through a proper analyze, the therapist can come to a conclusion that how like which therapy should be given to this person. And the fourth point is therapist should be a person of having great empathy. So empathy is a very important factor when a person is giving therapy, or the empathy is a very important factor or a key skill the therapist should have. So empathy is the skill of the therapist of experiencing or feeling what are the sufferings which the person is going through. So when looking from the perspective of empathy, then only the therapist can actually feel the pain of the person whom he is trying to help. So empathy is a very important factor. And the last factor is love. A therapist should have love inside him. Means it's the very important aspect, that the thing which is motivating a therapist should be more than the factor that he is consulting his client. That is a factor, but more than that, there should be an inspiration of love inside the therapist. If that love is motivating the therapist, then he will give his most potent potential for helping his client. So these are the main key skills which a therapist should have. And also something, this process, if you are thinking about this process of therapy, that what is actually happening here is the therapist is helping the person to express his own sufferings, and to help the person to get proper awareness about how to get rid from this problem. And sometimes the persons who are suffering from very emotional issues, or any other such mental psychological issues, they may be having many suppressed thoughts and emotions inside them, many negative suppressed thoughts and emotions. At such times, when the client is pouring his own emotions and thoughts outside, mostly people will be not much eager to hear such emotions and thoughts, because those negative thoughts will make a negative impact in the person who is hearing. But here is the important of the therapist, that therapist is very much prepared himself, so that he will not get influenced of the negative thoughts and emotions which the his client is emitting. So because he is very much prepared, the client will be able to emit means he will be able to talk out all his negative emotions and thoughts. By this, the person who is in trouble will get a therapeutic experience, a good therapy experience. He will be feeling much burden free. He will be feeling much relaxed by talking out all the negative emotions and thoughts which he or she have suppressed inside. So in such situation, the person who is giving therapy act like sucking out all the negative thoughts and emotions from this person and making that person free. So these are the basic thing that a therapist should be aware of. Thank you.